Sunday is the day of Pentecost, Sunday the 9th of June. That is the day of Pentecost. And in the evening at 5 o'clock, after we have our services, we are having an outreach. And we're going to be speaking on a very important topic, a very interesting topic, a topic that many people are asking questions about and need to have answers. And that is, what is the fate of the billions of people who have lived and died, but they never knew Christ? What about that relative? What about that brother? What about that friend? What about that schoolmate? That person who you know, is it true that that person is being burnt in hell? Is it true that that person has no opportunity for salvation? That person is condemned and lost? Well, come and hear the answer straight from the Bible. It is going to be at 5 o'clock on June 9, right here at the Global Academy. It is on the board right behind us, on the board right here, and it tells you exactly where we meet. You can make a note of it. It's UB3 1DH. UB3 1DH. And that is where you will just look for it and look for the Global Academy. Put it into Google and it will tell you exactly where we are. We would love to see you because we think this is a very important subject that you would love to get some answers to. Thank you. May God bless you and thank you for listening. Amen.